How to log out of X account. Don't use X that often but don't want to delete your account? Log out with the help of this tutorial. Your profile won't be deleted, and you can log back in whenever you want. Let me show you how. Open the X app on your phone. Then tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Scroll down and tap on the arrow next to Settings and Support. Next, open Settings and Privacy. Then click on your account. Open Account Information. Here, along with other information about your profile, you'll find the Logout option we need. Click on Logout. A window will pop up informing you that your data will be removed if you log out. If you agree with this, confirm by tapping Log Out again. You are now logged out of your X account. Thank you for following us. For more helpful tutorials and digital news, be sure to subscribe to our channel.